Good day everyone, you're watching Rate You Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Edge. Now, this is a very useful feature. Now, there are two ways to go ahead and use this feature. The one way is to, if you need to, once you're on the website, you can either do a right click on the page and go to on the drop down menu, you can use or click on Read Aloud, or you can also use a Control Shift U as a shortcut key. So as soon as you click on Read Aloud, you would
Expect
see
more from the
you would see a bar at the top corner, which will have a Read Aloud tab, and here it will start
web.
reading the content from
Browse
your
your favorite sites
page.
with world-class performance.
So once this is how you can enable the Read Aloud feature. In case if you want to change the voice, you have voice options here, where you can increase or decrease the speed of the voice or the reading, and you can also change the voice by clicking on the drop down menu. You have different languages and the different countries and the different type of voice here. If you don't like a female voice, you can also select the male voice of a different accent of a particular country. So this is one way to go ahead and enable or access the read aloud feature. Another way to access the read aloud feature is by clicking on the three dotted lines once you open Microsoft Edge. And once from the drop down menu, you can use the read aloud. So
Edge.
this will allow you to use the read aloud feature. Now, when you do a right click on the read aloud feature, there are a couple of
Introducing the
options here. Once you enable the read aloud on that particular page, when you do a right click again, it will give you a couple of options. Continue as a read aloud, and you can also close it from here, and you can also close it from the bar which has been enabled. So this is how you can go ahead and use read aloud feature in Microsoft Edge. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.